This is so pretty. I'll take this little protective covering off. This is what it looks like on the inside. What pretty, fun colors. Very spring. And I'm loving the flower right there. No, that's actually a lemon. That's really cute. I will post the names right there so you can see them. Okay. And if you're a viewer of my channel, you already know how I feel about swatches. I take them or leave them simply because the tension and thickness of the skin here and here is definitely not the same as the thinness, delicate texture of the actual eyelid. The color payoff is going to be different. So some people find swatches useful, so that's why I will do some, but it's not my deciding factor. It's usually how it applies to the actual lid. So have I seen colors like this in other palettes? Yes. Have I seen this particular color combination? I don't think so. I've seen something maybe like these in like one set from these two blues. They tend to pop out now and then, either blue or green, but usually a blue. But it goes well with the color scheme for this, so I'm not complaining. I'm just trying to see how I would use it. For some reason, I feel drawn to the blue. So I'm already seeing it with this lovely like shimmer green here. I don't know why, it's just calling to me. It's gorgeous. But I'm gonna see what I can do. So I'm gonna start here with this beautiful shade right here. Be careful, there is fallout, there's kickback. So I'm gonna start with, oh, that's a nice color payoff right there. I didn't have to try that hard. That is pretty. Okay, so let's go to this eye here. I'm just feeling like summer is gonna be here before we know it. My allergies have been acting up big time in the past few weeks, and it's just kicking into overdrive. So it's May. It's apropos. But yeah, I'm really liking that. Beautiful. It's like a burnt orange yellow in a way. Amalfi. Okay. So now I'm going to dive into this blue because I gotta have this blue on my eye. It's like iconic. It's gorgeous. I don't know what to do with myself, but I must have it. Must. And I'm just gonna see if I can put it in here, maybe. To give me a sweet look there. Oh wow. Let me just look in here because I'm trying to look in there and I really should be looking here. It's interesting, this blue, because it comes off so deep here. I'm sure if I had an eye primer, but because I don't, I just wanted to see how pigmented the colors were without having a primer in place. It's pretty, and it comes off almost like very pale, almost like the kind of blue that you would see that's sun washed on the side of a barn building, if that makes sense. It's that kind of blue that washes away from being in the sun on a farm. I like it. I really like it. I gotta clean it up here because there is fallout, but I'm not hating it at all. Maybe if I do this a little bit, look at that blue. Oh yeah, it goes on much better when I use my finger. It's deeper. And it's one of those really unusual blues that you would see on a, on the side of a building, like a barn, maybe. Yeah, I know you're used to seeing like red, but I wouldn't mind having a blue barn. That is pretty. That is gorgeous. Then, let's see. I want to put a little bit of this blue in there Let me see if it'll allow me to do it. I'll put in some of this green first. This is called Capri. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So I'm gonna put that into the corner as well as onto, oh, this is gorgeous. I could see that me already rocking this particular shade in the summer, like at a beach party or something. Oh my gosh, I haven't been to the beach and I can't tell you how long. I just recently went to the park. I went to Central Park. I hadn't been there in ages, like it had been a while, months. Because, you know, oh, it's almost like, I want to say peacock. It's so pretty. It's so, so pretty. And the, look, okay, I gotta put like a deep color in there because I feel like, okay, I'm gonna put in this color is gorgeous. What is this? This is, okay. I'm afraid this might be a purple, but I just need some definition in the eye here. I'm liking that. I am. I'm not gonna put it on this side. I'm gonna do a different look on that eye. Just because that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I'm gonna go in on this side and do more of these colors. The browns. So I'm gonna go in here. And I'm gonna put this brown down here real quick. That's so pretty. Okay. That is pretty. Indeed. I'm going to put in this beautiful sparkly color. So, what is this one? This is called Turing. This color right there. Oh my goodness gracious. And I'm going to pat this in the corner and into the lid. Like, wow. This Turing comes off a little like this one. Is that weird? It's a totally different color, this one, but yet it seems to go in like, that is so weird. Yeah, it's like almost like a whiter version of this one. That is weird, but it is pretty though. And then I think I'm gonna use a little bit of this. This is the Limon Squeezy. Tap right there again. And I'm gonna use that to, again, define the upper crease to give me some depth. I'm going to use a little of the grotto here, this bottom one, to provide more definition, U shape on the outer corner of my eye. Wow. And I'm going to use this one. This is Serenade or is it Lemonade? This color right here. And I'm going to put that in the upper. Wow. Should I use that same one over there? The same yellow? Here I feel like I'm a tropical bird. Here I feel like I'm going to a club. Either way, I'm so blown away by these colors. They are incredible. Colourpop rarely disappoints. I'm in love. This is definitely going to be a spring look for me. And I'm going to put this bad boy on just to see how it would look under my eyes, which I have a feeling with the blue one it's going to look extraordinary. Oh my goodness. It's like, wow. It's just, wow. Let me know in the comments below what you thought. And I look forward to hearing from you. And if you haven't already, if you haven't hit the comments section, make sure you do. And also hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. I'm just feeling myself right now. Don't mind me. Thank you so much for joining me. Again, my name is Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog, and I hope to see you on my next video adventure. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.